Chinese shops in villages throughout the town area are now dominant businesses. This is leading to many Samoan-owned shops being forced out of business. This is a concern raised by Member of Parliament Fa'alusau Rosa Duffy Stowers.
E mawhai ei o ngā whisosoangi a kui i o tātou tangata nuu o lo whaatino ina lau au nanga le titono nuu mawhia o anga. E mawhai ei na ave e se whisosoangi, e le whapeo ni whisosoangi tupe po lea. A ia whaamalosi au iai, ia whaamalosi al whaalau I loa I tūlanga e te tau wai o tau o loa. Po lea sko inga awala. E pe a mai titono I la tau e mwhaina whaasoa atu iei se malama ina I mfaina si itia ya la tau pisinisi. Nei lo le mea le wa iei nei wa whai atu a tātou whale o loa iei tono nuu mawhia o anga. Whale o loa au tātou lava tangata. Ai pe iei se au ala fisosoani ia I la tau.
Talafo filmed a number of Samoan-owned shops today. They were not willing to comment on camera, but they did tell Talafo that convenience and price is the key factor, and what they offer in their small shops are the little necessities that are suitable for their area. Elia Fiso of Telefo says for the past 3 years, business has been on a decline due to competition by Chinese shops owners operating in the same area. However, he said he is very thankful to his loyal customers and he will continue to try and keep his business afloat. One Samoan local shop owner said that it is very obvious that Chinese is dominating business. This is income and livelihood being lost to Samoan families. She is hoping that the government will step in to actually do something about it. She also says that in order to keep her store open, she has to sell her items at the same prices the Chinese are selling them. This results in a loss. Some Chinese-owned shops told Talafo that it's low prices that they put out is the reason behind their success. One Chinese owner says he employs 6 local Samoan full-time. He sells a variety of products and opens longer hours. His prices are competitive. Low prices, having much more variety of goods and convenience seem to be the competitive advantage to business. Only time will tell if anything will come from concerns raised by Fa'alusau Rosa Duffy Stowers in Parliament, but for now, it's business as usual. Aisha Hutch for Talafo.